Let me introduce you to Cloverton Estate in Kalkallo, a master-planned community that's redefining what it means to live well. With schools, sport fields, playgrounds, and even plans for healthcare facilities, Cloverton is all about creating a space where you can thrive. Education is a cornerstone of Cloverton's appeal. Families can choose from a range of existing and planned schools, including Mandalay Early Learning Centre, Beveridge Primary School, Garyip Yagala Primary School, and Hume Anglican Grammar, Donnybrook Campus. With such fantastic options nearby, you can feel confident your children will have the foundation they need to succeed. At our Cloverton Display Centre, we showcase 2 thoughtfully designed homes. From our Affinity collection, the Astoria Grand 45 takes luxury living to the next level with its indulgent master suite and stunning open-plan spaces. And from our Inspire collection, the Portland Grand Pantry 27 offers practicality and elegance, making it perfect for busy families. Cloverton Estate offers the best of urban convenience and serene suburban living, making it the ideal place to build a lasting home. It's the place where you can enjoy the best of both worlds, peaceful living and everything you need close at hand. Your dream home is waiting. And with Carlisle Homes house and land packages, you could be living in your new home at Cloverton Estate in as little as 20 weeks. Visit our display homes today and take the first step towards a brighter future and experience the Carlisle Homes difference for yourself.